I'm Sarah Gonzalez with the National Grain and Feed Association. I'm here with Dr. Dan McChesney, the Director of the Office of Surveillance and Compliance at the Center for Veterinary Medicine at FDA. And we're at the NGFA Pet Food Institute Joint Conference to talk about the Food Safety Modernization Act and food safety rules important to the grain and feed industry. So, Dr. McChesney, can you describe the two most recently finalized rules and how FDA used input from industry in their completion?
Sure, Sarah. The two rules that came out recently are the preventive control rule for human food and the preventive control rule for animal feed. I think we spend our time really talking a little bit here about the preventive control for animal feed, where we used a lot of input from industry to revise the GMP products to make them more appropriate for the animal feed industry, but still provide a baseline of safety for both the pet food industry and the animal food industry. And we did that by providing more latitude and flexibility with things with comments such as where appropriate and as necessary.
Okay. And does FDA have a strategy or a procedure in place for implementation and eventually enforcement of these rules?
Yes, we do. We're looking to begin implementation here in a year from September 17th, but as part of that, we realize that training is going to be very important. So we're working with an alliance to develop training material, and as we've been on record as saying that it's really our view that when we go into a facility, we'll be in there with the idea of training before we regulate to make sure there's a good understanding of the rules. So we really want people to understand what's required of them before we start taking regulatory action. And we've done that with other implementation of other rules, and that's received very positive feedback.
Okay, good. And as our member companies are trying to figure out what these rules mean for them and what they need to do to comply, will FDA be providing more resources?
Yes, Sarah, we will. We're developing some guidance documents, one on good manufacturing practices, another on the use of human food byproducts in going to animal feed, a small industry compliance guide, and we're also doing a number of webinars. There's a public meeting on October 20th this year, and we're open to being contacted to do webinars for individual associations or groups that would like additional information.
Sure. Okay. And then finally, what's your vision for the consequences of these rules? So once they're implemented, will the industry look any different, or how will it change?
Well, I think the industry will look different. We're hoping to get a more level playing field. I think I think the animal food industry and the pet food industry both produce a very safe product now. There are have been some outbreaks and some recalls, but we're looking to really move the idea to prevention into level of playing field, so we have all companies that are involved in this area at the same level, producing a product at the same level of safety.
Okay. Well, thank you, Dr. McChesney, for all your work and for being here.
Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you for joining us.